Rob Bailey, the hustle standard, battle tested.
I'm taking this opportunity to clear this mess out of my head, to clear this blood out of my lungs. I need to dig holes to bury the dead. Look at yourself in the mirror and tell me what a man is without pride. Tell me what a man is without fire in his eyes. Tell me who the fuck you are. You are. Sick of everyone's lack of honor. I'm so sick of everyone's willingness to settle. Why is no one prepared to die for anything? I don't need a reason. One more time. I don't need to think about it. One more time. I'm gonna stand right the fuck here. One more time. And take this to my fucking chest. One more time. They try and hold me back. 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 They try and hold me back.
See if I can get a range test in today. Not too bad today. A little chilly. As usual, there's the mighty Crown Vic. But let's take a look and see. Here's my lane again, set up 100 yards. And this is what we're working on. This is a K31, obviously. This one is a beechwood stock. And as you guys may well know, a beechwood stock that is in good condition like this one is, they're tough to find. They really are. They're so prone to becoming marked up because of their extremely blonde color that it's hard to find them, even though they may not physically be or have too much actual damage to them. The discoloration from any kind of mark is in them permanently, basically. But this one is clean. This one is really clean. I was fortunate enough to find this one, and so I picked it up. And as you can see, I've gone through it. I'm going to fire it today for the first time. Not had a round loaded in it yet. I have gone through it, done my thing. I've had it's been Cerakoted in graphite black, which I think is my customary color. It does set off the beechwood pretty well. I have gone through it. I've meticulously cleaned it up and checked everything: head space, throat erosion, trigger pull, all that stuff. But so I thought I'd give it a whirl today, see if we can get it on paper. But let me flip this thing around and see if we can't get a little look of it on the other side. Here's the other side of it. You can see it cleaned up really nice. Like I say, these beechwood stocks, I like the beechwood stocks. It's very structurally, it's very rigid wood. I think it's excellent for the purposes they use it for, but it's hard to find them that they're not all marked up. And this is a completely numbers matching K31, everything about it. The stock, handguard, bolt sleeve, receiver, barrel, magazine. And so here's a shot of it on this side, on the left side of it. Let me flip it around again here, see if we can get a little better look at the light on it. And as you see, it still retains a nice Swiss Shield cartouche on the buttstock. Cleaned up very well. And let's see if we can Here's the underside of it. And as usual, my Cerakote guy, he does a great job. He's very good at these now. So, anyways, I need to get my diopter sights mounted on this thing so I can actually see something downrange, get a decent sight picture. A little bit overcast today, so hopefully I can get a decent sight picture today. Anyways, that's about the outside of it. Let's put it together and see if we can get a little shooting done. Alright, here we go. Take my first shot with this thing. Did a little bore sight on it. Screwed my diopter sights on it, of course. Going to start with some leftover hand loads I have. These are 168 grain Hornady match rounds on top of 42 grains of AR comp powder. Commercial brass. So let's see if I'm even on paper here. So let's give it a try here. Felt pretty good. I'll measure headspace real quick. See what the actual headspace is. I check it with the no-go gauge first, make sure that it's not completely out of spec, but this will give me an exact reading of what the headspace actually is on it. Beautiful. 1 inch, 802. 1.802 inch. It's good. It's got a really good chamber, nice tight chamber in this thing. Excellent. That's good. That's 3/4 inch right, 2 inches low. Not too bad for a first shot off a bore sight, huh? Let's take another shot here. See, verified the sights. It's got a nice trigger on it too. Very nice trigger. Smooth. Got a good break point. See where that went. It's not too bad. That's low. A little bit lowered my first shot, just slightly left of it, or right of it. So I'm going to put a few clicks of elevation into this thing. And I'm going to move my sights. I'm going to give it a little bit left windage on it. Let's see if that starts to move it up and over just a little bit. Check it out. It's about 4 o'clock, maybe half an inch off of the orange bullseye. That's good. That is good right there. Let's try another one of these. See if I can put another one in the 10 ring. That's a bullseye. That is a bullseye right there. Let's Try one more. Alright, let's take a look. That one took a little longer. Might have pulled it a little bit. Yep. It's 10 ring. Yeah, I did pull it. Felt like I pulled it a little bit. Still a 10 ring, about 7 o'clock in the 10 ring. So let's, I think I actually want to shoot some GP11 ammo. I'm going to shoot like maybe 5, maybe 10 rounds out of it with GP11. Kind of curious to see how it'll shoot that stuff. So I'm going to head down range, clean up my target, and we'll go from there. Okay. Well, I got her sighted in with some hand-loaded ammunition. I'm going to put 5 GP11 rounds in it. We'll take 5 shots with that. I'm not going to change the sight adjustment, but you never know. I might, depending on where it goes. I'm just looking for a group primarily, checking for accuracy, of course. And I'm going to try one of these aftermarket stripper clips that they have out there. I've never tried them before. I got a couple of them. Seem to fit in there well. Hell, we'll see. How much does it have to do, right? Seem to work pretty well. Cleaned up my target, and let's see how it goes. That is absolutely 12 o'clock high, 1 inch high. That's a bullseye. That is right in the orange. That is right in there. That is right on top of my first shot. That one would appear it hold my second shot, which is in the bullseye. Wow. That's the ticket right there. That is, wow. This thing is deadly accurate. Excellent. This is a successful build right here. This rifle is beautiful, super duperly accurate. That's obvious. Everything tests good on it. Great trigger, excellent beechwood stock, beautiful hammerly barrel. This rifle easily shoots better than I can. Damn. I think that's gonna about do it. I don't see that I need to. I've seen what I need to see. This is a completely successful range test today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Try it on me back. Try it on me back.